You weren't supposed to find this, but now that you have, watch it. What if I told you that this very moment could change your life? That stumbling upon this video wasn't an accident, but something bigger, a moment you were meant to experience. Sounds impossible, right? But stay with me. This isn't just another video. It's a doorway to truths that have been hidden in plain sight. Truths that, once discovered, can completely shift how you see yourself, your life, and your future. In today's video, you'll uncover insights most people never hear because they're too distracted or stuck in their routines to even look. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to take control of your reality and understand why you've been stuck for so long. These are the kind of revelations that make you pause, reflect, and act. If you've ever felt like something is holding you back or that life isn't quite what it seems, then this video is for you. I promise the answers you're searching for might just be here. Welcome to Divine Reality, where we explore the hidden truths and deeper mysteries of life. If you're ready to transform the way you think and live, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Let's dive in. Before we talk about the life-changing truths ahead, let's consider something we often overlook. In life, some truths aren't hard to grasp, they're just hidden, buried beneath the noise of our daily routines and endless distractions. It's not that these truths are complicated, it's that we're too busy to notice them. But here's where it gets interesting. You're watching this now? Think about that. Maybe it's not a coincidence. Maybe you've been searching for something consciously or not, and this is where you're meant to find it. Before we talk about the hidden potential within you, let's explore a simple but powerful truth. You are the creator of your reality. Every thought you have shapes your experiences, whether you realize it or not. Your beliefs act like a lens, coloring how you see the world and what you attract into your life. When you focus on fear, you find more reasons to fear. But when you focus on possibilities, doors start opening in ways that seem almost magical. Now, think about the limitations you believe you have. Are they real, or are they just illusions created by past experiences or doubts planted by others? Most of the time, we're held back not by what's actually possible, but by what we've convinced ourselves isn't. Imagine what could change if you decided to let go of those beliefs, even for a moment. And then there's time. People often see time as the enemy, a countdown clock ticking away opportunities. But what if time is actually your greatest ally? Every new moment is a chance to begin again, no matter what happened yesterday. No matter how far behind you feel, it's never too late to rewrite your story. Finally, let's talk about something we rarely acknowledge. You're already enough. You don't need to earn your worth or prove anything to anyone. The sooner you embrace yourself as you are right now, the easier it becomes to grow and achieve more. Self-acceptance isn't the end of the journey, it's the foundation for everything else. Before we talk about what's next, let's take a moment to think about why you're here right now. Out of all the moments in your life, this one brought you to this video. Could it be random? Maybe. But what if it's not? What if this is the wake-up call you didn't know you needed? Sometimes life sends us subtle signs, moments that push us to reflect or take action. This might be one of those moments. Maybe it's a reminder that you're ready for change, even if you don't feel prepared yet. Now that you've heard these truths, the question isn't why you found them, it's what you'll do with them. This is your moment to take control, to stop waiting, and to stop doubting. You have the power to rewrite your story starting today. If this video resonated with you, don't let it end here. Like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe to Divine Reality for more content that transforms how you think and live. Your journey starts now.